Okay, hello students. So today I want to show you how to find intersection of graphs by using GDC. As you can see in question we are given two functions, y equal to x squared minus 2x and y equal to sine x. Now let's try to find the intersection. First let's press y equal and you can see something here. Let's clear it and let's write x squared. Let's type everything. Minus 2x and sine x. Okay, now let's graph them. Let's look at the graphs, how they looks like. Okay, it's okay. Stop. What about second? I think it's not proper one. Yes, mistake should be here. I think. Let's push mode. Yes, radian. This is a mistake. This is maybe technical mistake that common made by students. Right, and push it again. Let's check it now. Okay. Yes, now it's proper one. Now how to find the intersections? So to find intersection, I need to use calc. You see? To press calc, first we need to press second and the trace button, and we can see intersect fifth. And first we need to choose first curve. Let it be blue curve, and the second curve is a red curve. Now guess. Guess means, as you can see, there is two intersections, and which intersection we want to show you. So I push it approximately intersection near intersection I want to find, and yes, first intersection is 0, 0. To find second intersection, I repeat again. Intersect. I choose first curve, I choose second curve, and the guess. Now I want to find this intersection. And second intersection is this. Let me write them. First intersection is 0 and 0. Second intersection is 2.32 and 0.73. Let it be like this in two decimal places. Okay, that's all.